Yes, good morning to the people them this morning. Good morning. You can see I'm starting to cook some red pea soup this morning. Red pea soup this morning. Red pea soup. And some curry chicken bubbling his way out. Okay, so I'd like you to follow me, like, share, subscribe, touch the notice button to tell a friend, to tell a friend. This is Aunty Clair. Good morning. Red pea soup, curry chicken, and this is what I'm doing today. So if you like, just subscribe, share, follow me, touch the notice button to tell a friend, to tell a friend. This is how we do it. See it? Look at it. Red pea soup with whole wheat dumpling, corn, yam, sweet potato, okay? Chicken. I put chicken in there. Okay? A piece of chicken. That's all. And vegetable. Lots of vegetable cut up in there. Carrot, pumpkin, squash, everything you name it. Okay? And this is the curry chicken. Bubbling. Right? It is bubbling. You can see I'm doing it. And I'm gonna cook some rice. And I'm gonna fry some fish. Okay? I'm doing some snapper fish today. Today. Don't follow me. This is my pot. I take out the pot. Sorry about that. Yes. This is the fish then that I'm gonna fry. Some snapper. Big snapper. You can see them. Big snapper then. Well seasoned from in the week. Okay? Yes. This is it. That's what I'm gonna do today. And some festival. I'm about to do the dough now. I'm gonna need some dough. Right? So look at the soup. Look at the chicken, curry chicken. Well done. Well prepared. Well prepared. Everything I doing inside there. In God's name. So I ask you again to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, to tell a friend, follow Aunty Clair Jamaican cooking channel. Jamaican cooking. Right? Do it with love. This is love. 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 Yes. You can see it. You can see it. Oh, I'm doing it. Yeah. Yes. Again. I have some clothes outside I'm gonna wash. And you see how Aunty Clair do his thing. Yes. This is a pot. A curry chicken. Yes. So watch it cover back now. I cover it. And I'm gonna cover this because I'm above to do it in Jesus' name. Bless. Follow me, like, share, subscribe, touch the notice button to tell a friend, to tell a friend. Aunty Clair Jamaican cooking. This is Aunty Clair Jamaican cooking. Yes. Jesus' name. I'm doing some outside laundry. Yes, also too. This is my laundry. I'm just washing out some white clothes. You see it? How I do it? I just do it like that. Thank you. Thank you. Peace. Vlogging for today.